GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number. Global Trade Item Number, okay? And it operates a lot like a barcode. It's another barcode by any other name, really. And on Amazon, you may remember, if you've been around for a little while, that 6 months ago, there was this whole thing about barcodes on Amazon and which ones you could use. So Amazon put out some extremely confusing information about barcodes and what we could do. What they basically said was that all barcodes ought to be purchased through a GS1 originating company, and then they gave the link to GS1, which, by the way, Amazon owns shares in. And so loads of people went to GS1 to buy their barcodes and then quickly discovered that GS1 barcodes are ludicrously expensive. Not only that, but you have to renew them every single year, and it ends up costing hundreds of dollars a year to have one barcode for your product. So lots of people were very, very interested to hear about a potential exemption from that, something called the GTIN exemption, which basically said that you could get an exemption so that you didn't need a barcode by applying for a GTIN exemption, okay? And so loads of people did that. Now, that was awesome because you saved money on your barcodes through GS1. I then sent loads of emails off to Amazon because I wanted some real clarity on what was going on. And so Amazon emailed me back and told me that actually what you need to do is you need to buy barcodes that have originated from GS1. Now, all barcodes originate from GS1. All barcodes originate from GS1. So companies like Nationwide Barcode, which is one of the places I buy mine, companies like Nationwide Barcode buy millions of barcodes at a time, and as a result of that, you get to buy your barcodes crazily cheap. So 5 barcodes cost you $5.50 each, 27 bucks US dollars for 5 of them, and you've got them for life. You don't need to renew them every year. So with that new piece of information and that clarification, I think it's a mistake to get GTIN exemption, because the very second that you sell your products outside of Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Jet, your own website, whatever it might be, you will need a barcode. You're going to need a barcode. You will need a UPC barcode on your products, okay? So it's folly to get a GTIN exemption, I believe, because it's much better to put your UPC barcode directly onto your product. Therefore, it's ready to go for when you sell ultimately on another platform. And it's so cheap to do now, as you can see, that it makes no sense not to do it, that it doesn't. So Brian, I hope that explains that for you, mate. I know Amazon did a piss poor job of explaining that, but I hope that gives you some clarity around the best strategy to undertake now that we have got clarification from Amazon about what that actually means for GS1 and GTINs. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.